So we got home from Thanksgiving and our Samsung 46-inch flat screen TV is doing this. So we're going to try to fix it. First thing we're supposed to do is unplug it from the wall and then unplug everything that is attached to it and plug it back in and make sure the connections are solid. I'm also going to spray the connections out with this air duster. We'll see if that fixes it. Here are all the HDMI connections I unplugged and then plugged back in after I air dusted them. And then also the one on the far left and also the RCA cables. Okay, so I unplugged the TV from the wall, unplugged and reconnected all of the HDMI connections, and I also sprayed them out with the air duster, and it appears to be fixed. All right, so that fixed it. So just be sure you like and subscribe, and if you've got a Samsung flat screen TV that gets those vertical colored lines, give it a shot.